Hello everyone, if you're getting this error when you're trying to play Call of Duty Black Ops 7, lost connection to host or server, connection timed out, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your Call of Duty Black Ops 7 easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here view network connections, and then you're going to click onto your network here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, it should be Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, it should be WLAN. You're going to click onto it and then click change settings of this connection. You're going to click onto Ethernet protocol version 4 here. Click properties, then click use the following DNS server addresses, and you're going to write the preferred DNS server here 8.8.8.8, and in the alternate DNS you're going to write here 8.8.4.4. You're going to click OK as well. You're going to go ahead and disable this network device. You're going to wait for 15 to 20 seconds, and after that you're going to go ahead and enable this network device and then wait for it to be enabled. And once it's done enabled, then you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Call of Duty Black Ops 7, you'll see you will not get that lost connection to host server error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.